We did it. The station is ready. It is operational. We have proven to the whole world that autonomous energy is not a dream, but a reality. But this is just the beginning. Now we need to take the next step. Scaling up. We need factories. We need production. We are ready to take the technology to a new level. But we need support. We need the support of each one of you. Now you have the chance to become part of history. To invest in something that will change the energy market and your life forever. We are not just creating technology, we are building a future where energy will be accessible to everyone. The technology of autonomous generation is needed by the whole world. And today you have the chance to show the unity of the African people by investing in and promoting the ELECTROATOM project. Don't wait for the right moment, it has arrived. It's time to act. Join us, invest in the revolution that has already begun. The energy of the future is in our hands. And today we are creating a new tomorrow. Free energy. Free future